Exposing the secret in your sleep? Snoring. We've all heard it, but what causes it? Snoring happens when air can't move freely through your nose and throat while you sleep. This makes the surrounding tissues vibrate, which creates that lovely sound we all know and tolerate. But why does this happen? Sometimes it's because of a cold or allergies. Other times it's because of the way you're built. Yep, you can blame your parents for that. Extra weight, alcohol, and even sleeping on your back can all make snoring worse. So the next time someone complains about your nighttime symphony, just tell them it's science. Remember, if snoring is loud and frequent, it might be worth checking with a doctor. But for those occasional snorers, a simple change in sleeping position might just do the trick. Sleep tight and snore. Maybe a little quieter tonight. Hit that like button if you learned something new.